So you have an Excel file that you want to save as a PDF, but you couldn't save it in one page. Hello friends, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to save an Excel file as a one-page PDF document. To begin with, let's say for example I have this Excel file that I want to save it as PDF. Let's open this file once, and then as you can see here, this by the way, this video is for MacBook users. And you can see in this Excel file there are two tabs, one is summary and one is calendar. And let's say I want to save it as a PDF. Normally what we do is we go into file and then save as. I'll save in desktop and leave the file name as it is. Here I will choose PDF, and then I'm printing the entire workbook. Let's say for example if I'm printing only this page, the tables, then I will choose sit. In this instance, let's say I will print the entire workbook and save. Now let's open that document. So this is the document that I have just saved as PDF. But when I open this one, say the table here, it's not fitted into one page, and there are 6 pages in total for 2-page documents, right? So how we have to save instead is you can press either Command P or Control P for Windows, or what you can do is go to File and then Print. So this is the print preview here. So orientation, I will choose the landscape here, and then scale to fit. Now it has been fitted into one page. Let's play with the margins here. Let's see what happens when I choose wide margins. The table has shrinked a little bit, and let's say narrow margin, the table has just moved towards the left. So let's just leave it as a normal margin, and then what I have to do is here save as PDF, and then for file name I will choose Excel PDF, saving in desktop. Okay. Okay, before saving I'll show you another option as well. Here in print section it says active sheet. If I want to print the entire workbook, save the entire workbook, what I have to do is save entire workbook. Now you can see in print preview there are 2 documents. In first page we have this table here, and in second page we have this one here. So in this instance, let's see, I only want to save the active sheet here. Active sheet here is this table. So now I have to select as PDF, and then here Excel PDF, the file's name, and saving in desktop, and save. Now let's open that document. So this is the table, and it's fitted into one page in landscape orientation. This is one of the way to save the file as PDF. Now I will show you another way to save the Excel file as PDF. Let's close this one again to start the process again. Now again let's open this one. Now let's go to view for second option, and then page break view. As you can see there are 6 different pages here. So and we have to fit this table into one page. What you have to do is put the cursor here and then just drag until the end here. Now it's in the first page. You can check into summary tab as well. Let's go here. So it's already in the first page, so that's fine. Let's go to calendar again, and then you can change the page layout as well. I'll go to the page layout tab, and here in orientation, instead of portrait, I will choose landscape for this table. And then you can select the margins as well. Let's go to the custom margin. Here you can see the table is just a little bit left. So to place the table into the center, what you have to do is center on page horizontally and vertically. As you can see, the table moved towards the middle here, and then okay. Now what you can do is file, save as. Now I will rename it as Excel test and saving in desktop. This time I will save it as PDF. And let's say again, I don't want to save the entire workbook. I just want to print this table only, save this table only. So I will select this sheet here and then save. Now let's open that file here. So this is the file. As you can see, the table is fitted in one page. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.